This is an Excel document, and I'm just going to show you how to make sure you share it properly. So you go to File, and then you go to Share, and then you just double check the sharing things up here. Just make sure that it says either can edit or can view. So mine was defaulted by can edit because you guys needed to be able to do that. But when you made a copy of mine, it might be can't download right now. So all you have to do is can edit, and then you can actually send it to me that way. You can put my email here. It's really slow today. So at scdsb. So yours might not show my name in here, but if you put it in like that and then hit send, I just put, sorry, now I'm wasting time on the video here, SCDSB, and then just hit send after that. It'll work. All right, I just sent it to myself, but that's all good.